Discover the secrets of the tarot. What no one has ever told you about the interpretation of the tarot cards. Learn in our free 90-minute online workshop about how to unlock the true wisdom of the tarot. Be part of our free live online webinar. Fill out the registration form for the free webinar now. You will find the link in the description text. From March 2024 you will also have the special opportunity to take part in our certified Tarot Intensive course. It includes basic and advanced training as well as a face-to-face workshop with Salomo Baal Shem and the Brotherhood of the Eternal Light. This certified webinar series is open to anyone interested in discovering the deeper levels of tarot. Beginners and advanced students, members and non-members of our mystery school are equally welcome. Immerse yourself in this intensive, lively experience with the tarot. The basic training. It comprises 17 webinars of 2 hours each, which take place on Monday evenings. During the 17 evenings you will learn the Kabbalistic mysteries about the origin and meaning of the 78 tarot cards. We will deal intensively with the 40 minor and the 22 major arcana, i.e. the number cards and trumps, as well as the 16 court cards. You will also learn important details about divination using the cards and why the tarot is one of the most important occult oracle methods. As part of the basic training program, you will not only receive theoretical instructions, but will also have the opportunity to gain lively personal access to the secrets of each card through meditation and path working. The advanced training course. It takes place on 7 further evenings, Mondays, 2 hours each. This will focus on practical application and you will learn how to read and interpret the cards under expert guidance. The training also includes how to formulate appropriate questions for the tarot oracle and which reading system is most favorable for which purpose. You will receive lifelong access to all webinar recordings of the basic and advanced training so that you can repeat and deepen the content at any time. The live event. The subsequent live workshop will take place from 10th to 13th of May 2025, Saturday to Tuesday, in the Taunus near Frankfurt am Main. It includes tarot rituals, joint interpretations and professional feedback, including the opportunity to gain certification as a tarot practitioner. Experience the tarot for 4 days on site and put your knowledge into practice. Take part in magical rituals together where you can bring your knowledge to life and deepen it in a group of like-minded people. Learn the tarot online and in presence from an initiated teacher of a contacted mystery school. For more information and your registration, use the link in the video description. Subscribe to our newsletter to be informed about special offers and content and to stay in touch with us. And don't forget, if you want to be part of our free online webinar, just fill out the registration form. You find the link in the video description as well. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.